Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this stunning neon tangerine look. I love the way everything looks. It just looks very summery, very bronzy, and I love it. I couldn't be any happier with the way that this turned out. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. Alright guys, I have primed with Murad Invisiblur Perfecting Shield SPF 30, and I'm going to take a little bit of this Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I've already applied all of my moisturizers and I just feel like I need a little extra. And as you guys can see, I have this big monster. It was this huge pimple that would not go away, and no matter what I did, it would literally just stay there, and it bothered me. So I started to scratch, and then before I knew it, I felt to go, but that's a pretty big scratch there. I'm probably gonna end up scarring. Alright guys, so for my foundation, I use the Flawless Fusion by Laura Mercier, and I use my Hourglass Concealer and set it with my Coty Airspun Powder. I'm going to take my Lane Low Paint Pot. I'm going to use this as my base today, and I'm just taking a very thin layer of that and applying it to the lid and up to the brow. Today I'm going to be using the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette, and I am going to take the lightest shade in this palette with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use that to set my base. I'm going to take Dream Sweet, which is this shade here, and I'm going to place this in the outer corner. And as you guys can see, I'm building it up. This color can be quite sheer, but when you press it, then you're able to build on the pigment. And then I'm going to flip my brush over, and I'm just going to lightly apply this color to the crease. The reason why I'm flipping it over is because when I'm building that color on the outer corner, I'm just adding the color to one side of the brush. So I'm forcing it to become a flat brush. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take Meadow, which is this shade here. And I'm going to take it with a smaller brush, and I'm going to just pack that to the outer corner just to get more of that peachy vibe. And I'm not really taking it high. I'm going to go back with my fluffy brush that we were using to place our color, and then just blend a little bit of that darker color up into the crease. And this is just so that our look is cohesive. Now I'm going to take Work It, which is this shade here, and I'm going to just lightly use that to blend my edges out. Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to use a little bit of that right in the center here. Alright guys, to line my eyes, I'm going to be using Totally Tangerine by Danessa Myricks, and I'm going to use her little brush to apply this. I'm going to do it off camera because it is a little tricky to use. So with that being said, I'll be back and I'll have this neon liner on. Alright guys, so I have just applied mascara to the lower lash line, and I did my neon tangerine liner. For my face products, I used this MAC palette. This was part of their holiday edition, and I used both the bronzers and the highlighter, and this is it's not Whisper of Guilt, it is Oh Darling highlighter. So I have that on my face. So I'm going to use one of these liquid lipsticks by NARS. I think I'm going to go full-blown orange. This is Funky Town. This was part of their holiday collection also, so my bad. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I know that this is not going to be for everyone. And I'm going to give you the nude lip option. I'm going to take Spice Lip Pencil by MAC and Bombshell by Huda Beauty. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I love the way that this turned out. I think it's really pretty. It's a nice balance. Like my lip is peachy, so it flows with the rest of the look. And I love this neon liner. I have loved these liners since I got them. Like I said, they are a little trickier to use, but the learning curve is not terrible. It's pretty quickly where you can pick up on how to make this work for you. And look at the vibrancy in that liner. It's stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what lip option was your favorite. Subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.